हाँ
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग आरुषि
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड
मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग ईशी नो both the things.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning Arshit. बेटा ये दिनेश शर्मा कौन है जो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं हमको?
Ma'am, Ahana.
Ahana.
अच्छा चेंज कर लेना बेटा.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, many are there. Let me take everyone in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning Taran. Good morning Radhya. Such a fine day today, no? Is it pleasant outside?
Morning, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Waiting to rain.
Yeah, exactly. Since morning, since 7:30, my laptop is showing when 7:30 I started with the class, it was showing 27 degrees and showers. Slowly it is changing its update, you know. Now it is showing 32 degrees centigrades and partly sunny it is showing. No rains, no showers, nothing.
Good morning,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I hear the cloud noises, you know.
No, beta, it is the aircraft.
Good morning, ma'am.
Not the cloud sound. Good morning, Parush.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
We live near the airport, no? Trishul Air Base. So
Okay, ma'am.
where there is a flight. बेटा ये श्वेता यादव कौन है भाई?
Ma'am, Arshit Yadav.
Akshit Yadav.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning बेटा. बेटा अर्षित अपना नाम चेंज करो बच्चे. Yes, Vyom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning beta. What did we do yesterday? Please tell.
And yesterday you were asking me a question, but the meeting got over.
Ma'am,
But you.
yesterday we were doing
reading and you were asking questions from between.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So we'll continue with the same, but then after reading some more paragraphs, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I start? Ma'am, may I start the reading today?
Ma'am, please, may I?
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait.
Ma'am, we have to start with second paragraph. Ma'am, how did forest rules cultivated?
Acha, let me share the screen with you all.
Ma'am, I want to read.
How did forest rules
Who
affect
wants to
cultivation?
read?
Yes, ma'am. Second paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Vyom Saxena will read, but let me
read.
know this 2.2 we have to read from.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, second paragraph.
Okay, second paragraph of this European Just a second. Second paragraph. Why it is not showing? Ha. In shifting cultivation from here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
after only this paragraph, Vyom, and then Purvi will read.
Ma'am, then can I?
Ma'am and my.
Ma'am, then can I?
Ma'am, Taran wants to read.
I will.
Ma'am, Parush wants to read.
Ha, Parush will also read. I will tell. Right?
Ma'am, Mihika also wants to read.
Start.
In shifting cultivation, parts of the forest are cut and burnt in rotation. Seeds are sown in the ashes after the first monsoon rains, and the crop is harvested by October to November. Such plots are cultivated for a couple of years and then left fallow for 12 to 18 years for the forest to grow back. A mixture of crops is grown on these plots. In central India and Africa, it could be millets. In Brazil, manioc, and
Brazil.
in other parts of
Latin America.
Brazil,
Maize and.
maize and beans.
Yes. Fine. Next, Purvi has to read.
Yes, ma'am. European foresters regarded this practice as harmful for the forests. They felt that land which was used for cultivation every few years could not grow trees for railway timber. When a forest was burned, there was the added danger of the flames spreading and burning valuable timber. Shifting cultivation also made it harder for the government to calculate the taxes. Therefore, the government decided to ban shifting cultivation. As a result, many communities were forcibly displaced from their homes in the forest. Some had to change occupations, while some resisted through large and small rebellions.
Okay. Next, can we have Ahana reading? Who could hunt?
Yes, ma'am. Who could hunt? The new forest laws
Excuse
changed
me,
the
ma'am.
life of
Yes, but
forest.
just a second, Ahana. Yes, Parush.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am. Can I ask?
हाँ, please, बेटा, बिल्कुल पूछो.
Ma'am, ma'am, there on page number 87, ma'am, there is a line giving shifting cultivation also made it harder for the government to calculate taxes. Ma'am, how does it so, ma'am?
Okay. Let me ask from you only. Anybody in the class who could tell that how shifting cultivation made it difficult for the government to calculate taxes? Anybody in the class?
They change their places, ma'am. So
Yes, Harshit. They changed their places, so it was difficult for the government to calculate. देखो Parush, for some years they were at one place. By the time the government could put them in records, they used to change their place. So this is how it became difficult for them to calculate the taxes. Their taxes over here, they are talking about the revenue that was collected from the agriculture, right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. Carry on. Who was reading? Ahana. Carry on, Ahana.
Yes, ma'am. The new forest laws changed the lives of forest dwellers in yet another way. Before the forest laws, many people who lived in or near forests had survived by hunting deer, partridges, and a variety of small animals. This customary practice was prohibited by the forest laws. Those who were caught hunting were now punished for poaching.
Okay, wait. Let us have Taran reading.
While the forest laws deprived people of their customary rights to hunt, hunting of big game became a sport. In India, hunting of tigers and other animals had been part of the culture of the court and nobility of centuries. Many Mughal paintings show princes and emperors enjoying a hunt, but under colonial rule, the scale of hunting increased to such an extent that various species became almost extinct. The British saw large number of size of wild, primitive, and savage society. They believed that by killing dangerous animal, the British wild civilized India. They gave rewards for the killing of tigers, wolves, and other large animals on the grounds. They posted a threat to cultivators. Over 80,000 tigers, 150,000 leopards, and 2 lakh wolves were killed for reward in the period 1875 to 1925. Gradually, the tiger came to being as a sporting trophy. The Maharaja of Sarguja alone shoot 1,157 tigers and 200 leopards up to 1957. A British administrator, George Yule, killed 400 tigers. Initially, certain areas of forest were reserved for hunting. Only much later did environmentalists and conservators begin to argue that all these species of animals needed to be protected and not killed.
Okay.
New traders, new
Wait,
employments, and new services.
Wait. A quick attendance. Ahana, Aradhya,
Ma'am,
Arush.
Aradhya present.
Okay.
Present.
Abhishri, Anokhi,
Anokhi present.
Anshika Yadav, Arshit Yadav.
Present, ma'am. Arshit Yadav present.
Okay, Anvesha Vash. Anvesha. Okay, she's there. Maybe mic not working. Then do we have Arihant Nigam? No. Do we have Arushi Nigam?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Arihant and Arushi are related?
Arihant are also present. Is also present.
Arihant and Arushi are related?
Yes, ma'am.
Brother, sisters?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Aryan Gangwar? Not there. Azjad Raza?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Okay. Atharva Verma? Avantika Saxena?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Bhavya Khandelwal, not there. Gurleen Kaur? Gurleen? Harshit Oberoi?
Present, ma'am.
Himanshu Singh?
Ma'am, Arshit Oberoi present.
Ma'am.
Yes. Ishi Agarwal?
Present, ma'am.
Then Arav Patel? Not there. Jivyansh Arora? Kartikeya Saxena?
Present, ma'am.
Oh, Kartikeya is present? No, Jivyansh is present. Kavya Tripathi not there. Khyati Agarwal?
Present, ma'am.
Kinjal? Can you see Kinjal in the meeting? No. Krishna Kumar? Not there. Mihika? Parush? Prachi Gangwar?
Ma'am, Porush present.
Okay, Parush present. Prachi Gangwar? Not there. Then Pradyuman?
Present, ma'am.
Prakhar?
And
Prashasti? Prashasti?
Present.
Purvi Singh? Saksham Sharma? Saksham is not there.
present.
हाँ, Saksham is present? नहीं, Purvi is present. Saksham?
Yes.
Samriddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Shagun Mittal?
Present, ma'am.
Shambhavi?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Shashank? Shashank Navodit? Not there. Shivansh Pal?
ma'am, present.
Okay, Shivansh is... Beta, Shrey Gupta is doing his classes? Is Shrey Gupta doing his classes?
No, ma'am.
Shreya, पता नहीं
Ma'am, no.
Shreya?
Yes, present, ma'am.
Okay, Taran?
Ma'am, I'm also
Present, ma'am.
present.
Saksham
And
Sharma?
Taran is present.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Saksham Sharma
Okay,
present.
Saksham is present, fine. Utkarsh? Molly? Vyom Saxena?
Present, ma'am.
Vyom Saxena?
Present, ma'am.
Vyom Sharma?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Rudransh Yadav?
Present, ma'am.
Yashika?
Present, ma'am.
And Vishesh Raghuvanshi? Today Vishesh is not there in the class? Fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, you have not taken my name.
Sorry, Siddhi Mittal is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Siddhi present. Fine. Now, where has it disappeared? Can we have Siddhi reading?
Ma'am, may I continue?
No, Siddhi,
Yes, ma'am.
read. Acha, wait. Can we have Arihant reading?
Yes, ma'am, I'm reading.
Read, beta.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, from where I have to read?
New trades, new employments, and new services.
ma'am,
Beta,
Okay, ma'am.
बोलो बच्चे.
excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, why earlier people think that killing the animals was very safe for them, ma'am?
Beta, see, when talking about the early men, why early men killed animals? Because they were scared of them, right? Because they were forest dwellers.
Yes,
They were the hunter. They were the food gatherers. They used to move from one forest to another forest. So just to be on the safer side, they used to kill animals, wild animals especially, which scared them a lot, right? Otherwise, there have been several incidents where where we have read that they domesticated animals also, but only those animals which could carry their loads or which could be used for different purposes, right? But these wild animals, of course, because they were scared of these wild animals, that is why they killed them. Later on, when early humans started leading a settled life, they started hunting those animals which could give them food, right? And they also started hunting those animals which who like those animals whose hides could be used for covering their bodies, right? Earlier also they used to kill them for the hides for their skin, which was quite warm, like skin of the animal of the lion and tigers and leopards. They were quite good to safeguard them from the extreme winters which were there, right? Then later on it became a passion, it became a uh, pastime for the people to kill animals. Like if you see during the various kingdoms, rulers who came to rule over countries, especially when you talk about the Mughals, they had a habit of killing animals, and by killing animals, they used to showcase their braveness, that how strong they were, how brave they were, how bold they were, that they could dare to go into the forest jungle areas and kill these wild animals which could be a threat to their lives, right? So it was just a sport, you can say, for them, a time pass for them, which they did to only to get these skins so that they can display it
Ma'am, for pride.
for pride only. Yes, for pride also. I told just to
ma'am,
show.
but
And they
because,
also
ma'am, but
put
because
their
of that,
heads on
ma'am,
the wall
many
also.
tigers were, ma'am, many species were gotten extinct, ma'am. So this was good, ma'am.
This was not a good practice. This was not a good practice, but still people were doing it. And moreover, the British, those who were there, they were also scared of these wild animals because they wanted to explore the forest areas. So they kept rewards for killing these wild animals so that more and more of them are killed and they could move freely in the jungles to get the hardwood for the shipbuilding, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arihat, carry on.
Yes, ma'am. While people lost out in many ways after the forest department took control of the forest, some people benefited from the new opportunities that had opened up in trade. Many communities left their traditional occupation and started trading in forest products. This happened not only in India but across the world. For example, with the growing demand for rubber in the mid 19th century, the Munduruci people of the Brazilian Amazon who lived in villages on high ground and cultivated manure began to collect latex from wild rubber trees for supplying to traders. Gradually, they descended to live in trading posts and became completely dependent on traders.
Carry on.
Okay, ma'am. In India, the trade in forest products was not new. From the medieval period onwards, we have record of uh, Adivasi communities trading elephants and other goods like hides, horns, silk, cocoons, ivory, bamboo, spices, fibers, grasses, gums, and resins through nomadic communities like the Banjaras. With the coming of the British, however, trade was completely regulated by the government. The British government gave many large European trading firms the sole right to traders in the forest products of particular areas.
Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, anything in this to be explained, class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Can we have Jivyansh
No,
reading?
ma'am.
Can we have Jivyansh reading?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
With the coming of British, however, trade was completely regulated by the government. The British government gave many large European trading firms the sole right to trade in the forest products of particular areas. Grazing and hunting by the local people were restricted. In the process, many past- pastoralists and nomadic communities like Korawa, Karacha, and Yerukula of
Yerukula.
the Madras Presidency lost their livelihoods. Some of them began to be criminal tribes and were forced to work instead in factories, mines, and plantations under government supervisions. New opportunities of the work did not always mean improved well-being for the people in Assam. Both men and women from forest communities like Santals and Oryans from Jharkhand and Gonds from Chhattisgarh were recruited to work on tea plantations. Their
Recruited.
wages were low.
Recruited.
Their wages were low. Yes, ma'am. Their wages were low and conditions of work were very bad. They could not return easily to their home villages from where they had been recruited.
Haji. See, this particular topic tells you that how once the customary practices which these people were having, or the prohibition on the shifting cultivation that was made by the forest by the colonial government, how it forced these forest dwellers or the various communities which were there into different occupations, right? Right class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
time for the question answer session, right?
Yes, ma'am.
After this, we start with a new topic, that is the rebellion. So this topic will start in the next class. And before we start with this topic, I'll give you certain flowcharts. Tell me if you want to do it right now. I can share the screen with you so that you can carry on with the flowcharts, or you want these question answers.
Ma'am, flowchart.
Ma'am,
Flowchart. Ma'am, flowchart. Ma'am, we
Fine.
can take the screenshot of the flowchart and ma'am, you can do the
Madam,
question answer.
flowcharts of chapter 1.
Chapter 1 we have not done.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, fill in the blanks were left. There were total 40 fill in the blanks, but we have done only 29.
Only 20. Okay. So अरे तो बड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. तो ठीक है, ऐसा करते हैं, quickly let me share the screen with you for the flowchart for chapter 1. Okay, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You people can always do it from here. ठीक है बेटा? Let me just find out where I have
Yes,
shared
ma'am.
it. Where is it? Chalo, for now, what you do the flowchart for the next topic that we have. नहीं, wait. Is the screen visible to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now here is this flow chart. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the
Yes,
next flow chart
ma'am.
for the same- for the same chapter. You can note it down. We have 10 minutes with us.
Ma'am, there is only one flow chart.
There are 2 flow charts we have already done, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but we have not done history chapter 1 flow charts.
That also I will do. Don't worry. Remind me tomorrow.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, we have to leave some space in our copy regarding the flowchart of first chapter.
What you can do is later on you can make it after this chapter in with the heading of chapter 1. No need to leave space.
Sorry, ma'am, you're not
Okay,
audible.
ma'am.
What I am saying is no need to leave space, beta. You can simply do it after this chapter also. Only flowcharts are there, no, for
All
chapter.
right, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Better done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Right. Very less time is left. Any other query that you have, you people can always ask.
Ma'am, you can share the flowchart of chapter 1 history, and ma'am, we can take the screenshots.
अच्छा, but इतने कम टाइम में हो नहीं पाएगा बच्चे.
And we will take screenshot. You can just share the screen of first chapter
Just
flowchart.
give me a minute. Give me a minute. एक minute. Okay, what you can do is, there are some deforestation. Okay, wait a second. Huh? Take screenshot of these new terms.
Ma'am, taken.
Taken. Then this.
Ma'am, take
Ma'am,
it.
wait. Ma'am, wait.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
please
please show the
wait.
new terms again.
Okay. Re. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, take it.
All have taken.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now these are important personalities and the years. Some years are given. कहाँ गया भाई? Here.
Ma'am, taken.
Taken. Ma'am, taken the screenshot.
Ma'am, please wait.
हाँ.
Ma'am, take it.
Ma'am, taken.
Taken. Okay, I think that flowchart is also here only now. Okay, this is chapter. नहीं, ये the drainage का है. That flowchart I got. ये abolition of slavery कर लो, ये इसका screenshot ले लो. Chapter 1 का 7th flowchart है बेटा ये.
Okay, ma'am.
अच्छा ये वाला लो.
Taken.
पहले इसका ले लो. Directory rules France.
Ma'am, taken.
Taken. Then we have this triangular slave trade.